Your Excellency, the Governor of Kisii County, Honorable Excellency, Honorable Simba, Arati, my Governor, it is now my pleasure to give you the instruments of power. I'm going to hand to you the county seal. I hand to you the county flag. I hand to you the county coat of arms. And I'm going to hand to you, Your Excellency, the Constitution, which will guide you in your daily activities. As we all, the people of this great county of Kisii, wish you well in your journey for the next 5 years, and God willing after that. May God bless you with your deputy and with the activities as we all, the people standing next there. I wish you all the best. And my county MP is also here. Thank you very much. Doris, if you can stand on this side, I didn't see you because you were standing very far. Now the first thing that I'm handing to you is the county flag. Yeah, that's the flag, and you can see it's a good flag. We wish you the best, my brother. Strongly, I want to tell you something about this flag. If you can see the stars there,